with our character, and we just have our character completing a nice little sigh and coming back to a normal position in the seat. And what I want to go ahead and do here, I'm going to add a little bit of extra motion here where you're doing the sigh, and now I'm going to have the character, I'm going to move the slider to frame 40, and I'm going to add a little bit of extra movement here. So at this point I'm going to go ahead and have the left arm come out, and just add a little extra rotation here and just kind of bring it out a little bit like this, and I'm going to bring it back just a little bit and a little up, and set a keyframe. And I'm going to go ahead and at this point I'm going to select the hip joints, but again I'm going to set a, let me select, I'm going to go ahead and set a base keyframe at frame 30 for the hips, just to keep it in its current position. Then at 40 I'm going to go ahead and rotate, a slight rotation, and set that keyframe, and I'm going to go ahead and select the lower back. I'm going to rotate that out a little bit and set a keyframe, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste frame 25 of the lower back to frame 30 just to create another anchor so that it's animating from between 30 and 40 instead of from between 25 and 40. And do the same thing for the upper back here. Add a little extra movement. And bring that back just a bit and set a keyframe. And also going to select the head. I'm going to rotate that to the side and back a bit and set a keyframe. And I hope you're going to start seeing, getting what I'm doing here. So creating a little bit of an exaggeration here, and then let's go to frame 45 and let's bring everything back to 0. So bring the hips back in, set a keyframe, select the lower back, bring this back in, and I'm just kind of going off of my eye, kind of straightening up. I'm not trying to keep it so symmetrical, but you can do that if you like. You can go ahead and put in the actual values to pretty much zero everything back to where it should be. And I'm going to try and bring that up and bring that forward again. And I'm going to bring the arm back over here. Bring it over front, bring it forward, and do a little rotation here. And bring it forward. And a little more rotation, rotate down, bring that forward, and we'll continue more in the next video.